Welcome to the windmill garden. I'm building soil today. Well, I'm doing a little bit, but these chickens are going to do all the hard work. Chickens are natural soil builders. Those sharp talons scratch everything up as they look for things to eat, seeds and grubs, everything. All the materials I throw in this chicken run get ground up by the chickens and turned into soil. We put everything in here. This layer is all garden waste from last summer. That's a tomato plant or pepper plant. Some asparagus stalks they haven't ground up yet. We'll crush those up, help them out a little bit. All our leftovers and food scraps go in here. Here's our bone from a roast. Ham, all our kitchen scraps, even enchilada casserole. And all this good stuff gets spiced up with a little chicken manure, a great fertilizer. The chicken coop is bedded down with pine shavings. It gets full of manure. All this will be raked out and mixed in with the soil. Here's all my tree trimmings from pruning my fruit trees. I'm going to chop them up into little bits, add it to the soil. This box behind me is the chicken sand pit. I mix sand and ashes in there. The chickens use that for grit and a dust bath. They'll mix this into the soil as well, a great soil additive. And our final ingredient is out here in the wheelbarrow. This is waste hay and cow manure from the ranch. We'll top the entire chicken run off with this. Let's get started. It's going to be fun. First things first, let's coop up these chickens. Excuse me. Chicken herding time. Oh, come on, Blackie. Trying to get down to some of the soil below. Get everything mixed up. We just got a really nice snow. It's gonna make things a lot more wet. Oh yeah. Oh, that's where that went. Now let's work on our chicken sand pit. This is just sand. We use it for stuccoing buildings, cement, projects like that on the ranch. And this is ashes from wood stoves. This is a great material. The chickens can use this for a dust bath. It's also great for a soil amendment. Mix that up a little bit, and we'll add another layer. Remember not to put your hot ashes in a plastic bucket. These have been cooled off for days. There it is, sand and ashes. Good stuff for chickens and garden soil. Now let's work on chopping up some of these sticks and tree trimmings. It's a big pile. I'll have to work on this over a few days. We'll do a little today. Just break it down a little bit more so the chickens can mix it in. I'll keep working on this pile of sticks this winter. Now let's bring in that waste hay and manure. And here's what the chickens are going to mix up. Some of that good hay waste, sticks, feathers. Some of that good compost I dug up. Composted native soil, native clay soil. Yeah, really good mulchy, soil. That's looking pretty good, and these chickens are ready to get out of their coop. Let's put these girls to work. And there they go. This coming spring, all this chicken soil goes back on the garden beds. Happy chickens, doing what chickens do, and building soil in the process. I'll see you next time at the Windmill Garden.